and welcome everyone. Today I am going to show how to fix WhatsApp call not working. Firstly, tap on settings. Scroll down, tap on apps, tap on app management. Now start typing WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp. Now tap on permission, tap on camera. You need to set your camera on allow and check your microphone. Set this also in allow. After this, turn off conflicting modes like Bluetooth, power saving mode, do not disturb. Now tap on storage usage. After you tap on storage usage, tap on clear cache. After you tap on clear cache, tap on data usage. Now in data usage, switch allow background data usage to on. After this, tap on Play Store. Now start typing WhatsApp. If your app is not updated, update it. If you still have any questions, comment down below.